Guys, how's it going? This is a desk I've had for quite a while. I'm going to be giving it a bit of a revamp today. I'll be doing a couple of episodes on how to do it. Nothing too fancy. As you can see, the bloody handle's coming off and loads of gouges around and it's filthy. Haven't cleaned it for quite a while. As you can see, the top is just buggered. All the varnish is coming off. It's filthy, dirty. You can see there's heaps of gouges in the front there. Have a look. Bloody hell. There's a bit of writing down the side of it and gouges down the bottom corner. It's just all going to need a good bloody clean and a sand and a fill. And I'll show you how to do it on like the cheap as well. Nothing too serious. You're not going to really need too much. Here's the drawers. Just standard drawers. Loads of shit's been inside it. This is the part I like though. That's where I put my mouse. I have my arm sort of off to the side and I just use my mouse on that. It's a nice solid area to use it on. A little bit different. Most people put their mouse next to their keyboard and stuff, but I like to have it off to the right. So yeah, we'll give it a clean down. There's a bit of like blue tack stuck in the holes from previous owners and such. But yeah, I'll wipe it down and give it a scrape, and I'll probably scrape the top. Give it a go. Anyways, that's it. Let's get to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'll get the next episode of sanding it all down and prepping it up in a couple of days. Cheers.